still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business, I live this, it's automatic, I win this. So you hear those horns, you finished. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid, I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing with no bait. Kid, your boy hold weight. I got my soul straight, I brush your mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your boy's so hot, you never catch me in the next man's sweater. If they hate, let them hate. I drop your whole clan. Lay your ass down for the 3-second tan. Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now.
It's gon' be what it's gon' be. 5 pounds of courage, buddy base, 10 pants with a gold tee. It's a war dance, a victory step. A raw stance is a gift, and you insist it's my rep. John Cena trademark, y'all are so-so. And talk about the bread you make, but don't know the recipe for dough. Aiming guns in all your photos, that's a no-no. When this pop, your lip lock, your big talks a blatant no-so. See what happens when the ice age melt. You see monetary status is not what matters, but it helps. I'm rockin' Timepiece by Benny, if any. The same reason y'all could love me is the same reason y'all condemn me. A man's measured by the way that he thinks, not clothing lines, ice links, leather and minks. I spent 20 plus years seeking knowledge of self. So for now, Mark Brecker's living life for wealth.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now.
You know the rap. Check it out. Listen, my name is Bumpy Knuckles. I write that fucking flame and kill for the right price. I got a bucket name, a 40 caliber toothbrush stuck in aim. We roll like 18 wheelers in the trucking game. I'm nice with mics, there's nothing more I like than to paralyze your left side and leave you all right. I'll be laying in front of your crib with techie all night, trying to get them 9mm loaded up tight. Listen, I'm like a Cadillac, I write a battle rap. So smooth contest, you'll be out of that. Y'all know the beef is stewing, cause Bumpy came to ruin. You may be signed, but you don't know what the fuck you doing. I make a height hot, I make dope raw, and send you higher than a long coat 4-4. You know the only rap pimp that kept a whole paw and slam a fool on his back and break the whole floor. Yes, y'all, yes, y'all. Don't stop, we keep on once the cops are gone. This is real street spit, you best be warned. Tell your favorite MC the mic is on. Yes, y'all, yes, y'all. Don't stop, we keep on once the cops are gone. Come
It's a J Daddy, not Hov or Jam Master. My mic is correct, but y'all know the hand's faster. See you bitch rappers, I'm attacking the pound. Y'all be crying foul, cause I'm hacking your style. I make sure you and your man's done. And when I see y'all both drop, I'm the cat screaming and one. See me on the team, dog, you know the game's over. Stones on my wrist and a chip on my shoulder. 16's cashing in on another hot beat. Go cop me a drop with the butterscotch seats, and we butter not meat. If we do, you gon' see a change. Make sure your whole face getting rearranged. We rolling up in the blacked out truck, dog. It's Freddie Fox, now you deal with corrupt mob. It's gas on the fire. Anytime a track played, squad known to beef up the heat, just like the Shaq trade.
This my 9 to 5, this ain't no hobby cat. Copycat killers bite styles, my rhyme files is heavy. Give me a beat, man, I body that. Spitting that heat, street rats, man, they nod to that. What you smiling at? You R&B, man, that's hardly rap. You lost the beat, man, you bought a map. Matter of fact, here's my next rap, borrow that. Been off the street too long, I want my corner back. You ain't a player, you an armchair quarterback. You ride the beat like side streets on a flat. Don't play dumb, I know where you came from. You only seen slugs, buddy, after the rain come. Keep it subtle, trademark got you bitch like baby sucking tits. talking about mommy, let's cuddle. It's gonna be what it's gonna be, you buck down. A quiet cat with a violent rap, what now? You suck, clown.
Don't stop on once the cops are gone. This is real street spit, you best be warned. Tell your favorite MC the mic is on. Yeah,